guys, what's up? It's Claire, and today I'm filming another daily vlog because I said I'll film a vlog every day. I'm drinking apple juice. If you haven't noticed yet. Well, probably haven't. Anyways, we might be going on for a walk or something like that, but I'm not sure. Down my road like yesterday. I might not, because I want to do like a daily vlog of different vlogs every day. Now I'm going inside, taking my stuff in. Keep drinking apple juice. Come here. Why? Oh. Huh? Oh. Huh. We're not going walking, so I guess we're just doing another daily vlog. Guys, look what we did. We were doing a challenge, and we did all of this, but the challenge got deleted, so we can't do it anymore. I'm just going to do one of my daily vlogs today. So I'm going outside now by myself. My sister doesn't want to. Let me get my jacket. Where's my jacket? Let me get him. So I have to make this vlog because I promised. Plus, if I need to make Crookie move, girl. So yeah, since I promised, I am. And when I get done, I'll get on my Chromebook. I want to get on my Chromebook, but I have to film. It is fun, but I just want to get on my Chromebook right now. But today, I'm gonna do a daily vlog. Okay. Look, I'm gonna throw you all the way over there. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Whoa. If you did not see that, I just spit everywhere. Anyways, let me just hold my camera like this. Watch this, I'm gonna go in my back. 1, 2, 3. Woo! It scares me so much, but anyways. I can't wait till my husband comes home. We're gonna play something. Cause she is so funny. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! I said I might do 2 vlogs a day or just 1 vlog. Today I'm just gonna do 1 because that's easier for me. And yeah. So I know I saw my vlogs where I hold them down like this, but it's actually better if I hold them like this. Oops, not over the camera. But so yeah, just gonna hold them like this from now on. The cows somewhere, yeah, like over there, up there, everywhere. There's the yellow cows, but you can barely see them. They're all through there. There's a bunch of cows down there. Yeah, right there. Okay. I guess that's my other. She's not. I don't know if the car's up there yet. Make sure. Yeah, it is because I just see a white thing. So I don't know why I'm whispering because I know you can't hear me now. But anyways, I'm gonna go walk and do stuff. Hey, Cookie. There's Cookie. Okay, you see the pretty flowers? The pretty flowers. She's so pretty. She's looking at you. Look how scared my other chickens are. Wow! Look, she went on the other side too. Hey, Berry. And so, I'm going back inside. But you want to see my cat? I know you've never seen her. She's hiding. There she is. You barely saw her though. Step in chicken poop. Barely. Wait a second. I'll go back inside. I'm gonna sneak up on my sister. I want to get all crumpled now.
Have you ever done left-handed nail painting?
Bobby, can you get up?
Nope.
Out of my chair?
Sit in my chair.
No. I want to watch YouTube. Get up.
Hold on. How are you gonna watch YouTube?
On my Chromebook. Okay, so I found my DS. I know it probably wasn't lost, but I haven't opened it in a while. I'll put stickers on the side. I got this like a few years ago. Won't be dead. Nope, not dead.
You have a charging for it?
I don't have anything on it. But let's see what the music I have on it. I used to listen to music on this. I should start downloading music. Let's see what this is. Record. I'll show you all the music I have. I have this one. That's all I have right there. See what this music is.
Stop.
So this is.
Why is this thing in my chair? Get it out.
It just died, so I'm gonna turn it off.
Claire!
Shut it down.
Get.
So I'm gonna put you down right here for now. Scoot my chair back and move everything out of the way, and I'm gonna plug you guys in. So you'll charge. Let's see. There you go, and I'm gonna get everything ready. Okay, so I'm finally ready. I'm about to cover up with my pillow. Get it on my Chromebook. Let's see what time it is. 7:41. I have plenty of time for a couple of minutes to get my Chromebook, my Chrome laptop. So that's what I'm gonna do in spare time, because I'm gonna do nothing basically. I guess I need to shower now. And now I'm gonna do this. Take my shoes off because I've had them on every single day. So unplug, and take my shoes off and cover it up. What the heck is that doing? What happened? Let's just say nothing happened. Of course nothing happened. So I guess that's it for today. I know this wasn't a long vlog, but that's all I had for today. So I guess I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Like, subscribe, and comment down below because the question of the day is, what's your favorite TV show? What's your favorite TV show? Bye.